right, now welcome back. Now welcome back. At the same time, the park load come up for the show. Thank you very much. Say now follow us on top of the show tonight. We don't see every Odogwu, the comedy machine. When we say machine, this is what they call machine. We say machine. That means now heavy things you get because the energy way they get. My brother, if you see what Odogwu dey for stage, 1 hour after everything, I faint for house.
You know they can sit down for backstage. Like,
you understand? They call they breathe. But now they're in power day. You understand? You're Black Poro where they shout. Ah! If you go normal, no endorsement.
That's it.
Now like for like mosquito coil with the endorse and everything, nothing. You understand? So anyway, quickly, we'll see our guy perform to end up the whole thing. Hope you enjoy the whole show. Quickly, jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Let us know what you feel about the whole show for today, okay? And don't forget to jam Odogwu on top of the show on the 16th of August for Simon Sun Center for there. Come there, yours can do all right, okay? I go do the personally. And of course, on the 12th of August, my birthday, the night for that birthday. You understand me now? Easy bit. If I say you no give me gift, if I say you no carry gift, come. Now me and you for this show. Okay. They look at everything we take. You do you do come up for this place. Okay, so quickly go say good night to all of you now. I'm gonna sleep very, very well and God bless everybody. So easy. Take it away.
Yo. Twinter baby. 5 a gay. 2 fishes. 5,000 fed, no long speeches. Molest a child, now the counselor. That's how you heal a broken heart, no stitches. I've had it all, man, I've seen it all. Miracles pouring down like a waterfall. Young good with no shoes turns to president. It's more than good luck, I got some evidence. This is my convictions, you know they cannot change it. Faith is my possession, you know they cannot take it. I've been an old half-cast, you know you cannot fake it. The ghost got me feeling like I'm eating noodle, got it. Dear, Rowa, dear, it's okay. Dear, Rowa, dear, it's okay. Dear, Rowa, dear, it's okay. The boss got me feeling like I'm eating noodle, got it. Call up for my king, 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 turn 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 up for my king. Look how we kicked the ball out of Nigeria. They can't tell me that was not God. I know they're gonna say we kinda proactive, but who made them able? The same God. They say you never make it as a gospel singer, but then I spotted Frank in a Range Rover. My God can bless a man way beyond measures. Even your tapes wouldn't do. Wanna try? I am too hot, no 2-pack. All eyes on me to get me cold. They're so dark like a waste stack. Broken word, Britney Cole. But I'm a king and I'm living my prime. Bragging their bodies, I'm one of a kind. Take everything and all that I got. My God can do it all over again. Dear, go on. Dear, it's okay. Dear, go on. Dear, it's okay. Dear, go on. Dear, it's okay. The boss got me feeling like I'm in a noble garden. Turn up for my king. 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 The moral of the story right now is if we can do any of those things I just spoke of right now, I mean, what's so special about that situation of yours that he cannot fix? You know he can fix it. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, let's go.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.